In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sheet in Revit. Creating a sheet is how you present your project in a clean, printable layout, complete with a title block and space for your views. It's quick once you know where to click, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get a sheet ready in moments. Start by opening your Revit project. Make sure you have the model you want to document already open, because the sheet you're about to create will live inside this project and reference its views. Next, head to the top of the Revit window and go to the View tab on the ribbon. The ribbon is that series of tabs and panels across the top. In the Sheet Composition panel, click the Sheet button. That command is specifically designed for creating new sheets in your project. If you prefer using the project browser, there's a handy alternative. In the project browser, which typically sits on the left of your screen, find the category labeled Sheets, All. Right-click on Sheets, All, and choose New Sheet. Both methods open the same dialog and accomplish the same result, so use whichever feels more natural. You'll now see the New Sheet dialog. Here, you'll choose a title block. The title block is the frame that contains your project information, sheet number, sheet name, and often your company logo. Pick the title block family that matches your required paper size and standard, such as A1 or A2. Think about how the sheet will be printed or plotted and select the size that aligns with your office or client standards. If the title block you want isn't listed, click Load. This lets you import a title block family from your library, typically found in a folder named Title Blocks. Browse to the correct file and load it so it becomes available in the list. It's a good idea to keep consistency with your office's approved title blocks for uniform presentation. You can also choose None if you need a sheet without a title block. This is useful for placeholder sheets or custom graphics, where a frame isn't required. When you're satisfied with your selection, click OK. Revit will create the sheet and add it to the project browser under Sheets, All. The new sheet view will open, showing your chosen title block or a blank page if you selected None. From here, you're set up and ready for the next steps in your documentation workflow when you're ready. That's it. Open your project, go to View, click Sheet, or right-click Sheets, All, and choose New Sheet. Select or load a title block, or choose None, and click OK. You've created a sheet in Revit.